Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Zoom F4 multi-track film recorder and we're going to see what is inside this box. So this is the box here firstly, so this is the outside of the box. So this is the whole packaging. So I ordered this online from Amazon. So I'm just going to pull it out, turn it this way. Pull out the cover. So that's the cover there, and this is what's inside the box right here. So open up the cover. So that's on the inside. It's got this foam right here to cover the box. So I'm just going to pull down the foam here and see what it looks like. So there's a foam padding right here to give the protection during shipping. Now here we got the Zoom AC adapter. So I'm just going to pull it out. So here's the adapter. So I'm just going to open up and we're going to take a look. So we've got the adapter right here. Then here is the box. It is wrapped in this bag right here. I'm just gonna pull it out. It's fairly heavy. So here's the recorder. This is the size of the recorder on the right hand side, and this is the back of the Zoom recorder. And there it is. Okay, let's see what else is in here. I'm just going to pull this one up. So it's got some other accessories in here as well. So this is the stand. So I assume we can screw this one on to the back here, like this. So that's the stand right there. Let's see what else we have. Okay, there is a very big user guide. It's very thick. So it shows you all the items included in this box right here, as you can see. So it's got the mount adapter. You got the DC harness cable, the adapter, and the operation manual. So we're just gonna quickly go through this one here, the flip through it so you can see. So the instruction is really big, it's quite extensive, as you can see right there. So these two sides must be the cables. There's nothing on this side. So here's the harness cable right here. And that's everything inside the box. So no separate battery. So I'm just going to open this up and see what's in here. So this is where you put in your SD card. So there it is. You got your 2 slots for the SD card. You can pull this one out to put the battery in. So here, battery. So HR6 is recommended, or AA size 8 of the AA size battery. And that's it. That's everything inside the box. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.